Good morning, everybody. It's 9:24 and 36 seconds on October 17th. This is mini number 1 for the Golden Age Cap 76 slab. Over here on the left are the 15 filled spots. Okay. Whoever comes in first place in the mini is going to get the first 4 available spots in the main, which at the time, right now, unless somebody claims them as I'm running the mini, are spots 5, 10, 17, and 20. Whoever comes in second place in this mini will get the next 2 available spots in the main, which right now at the time, 9:25, is spots 24 and 25. Okay, so let's roll the 3 dice. Number is 14. I'm going to randomize 14 times. Best of luck, everybody. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and here's the final one. 14. Kyle Perkins comes in first. Will Lehman comes in second. Time is 9:25.